No, wait.
Well, you're not gonna just walk around, okay?
Okay.
Hey!
There's a fan.
There's a fan.
There is a no.
He's
It's okay.
like a-
There's a doggy over there
Yeah.
that will jump at you.
Yeah, so just look at it right here. We're not going inside.
It's okay. I don't care if you come
There's a
inside, but I put
Yeah.
the dog up first.
Oh, look
There
at your
is a
pup. I have a golden too. It's fine. No, just say. Yeah, it's okay. You can come look. Okay, he said, okay.
You can come look on me. Okay.
Yeah, there's the fan.
You like a fan, huh?
Yeah. I can reach it. Yeah, I can reach it. It's on medium. Where is the dog?
Say thank you.
Thank you. Pick that one off. That's silly. Crazy stuff.
You like all my piles? This is why I'm like, by the 20th. and
Somebody
you go.
pick things up. I know that's the problem with these things. So, but
Turn
thanks
it
for
off.
offering. I was
Oh,
like
you're
really
welcome.
excited.
That needs to be washed. There's some marks on it.
That's cool, and I was seeing you. I think I know this house now, even in the living room.
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's somebody coming down.
That would be my son, Zachary.
That's Zachary.
Yeah.
We gotta get going because we gotta get to Brewster's.
That's what
Some
we're
ice
Oh,
cream
fun! You're going for ice cream.
Why are we going for ice cream?
because it's my favorite treat.
Yeah, but
Because
what-
I got all A's on my report card,
Congratulations!
and
Good
I
for
made
you.
and I made a 100.
Wow, that's even better.
Yeah.
Well,
But that's
Yeah.
okay.
That's okay.
Bye.
Bye bye. Have fun at
Thank
Brewster's.
you.
That's so silly.
So silly.